But I want to just welcome everybody and let you know this party is a joint party of Chabad East Van, me and my wife Shani, together with the Bitons, Rabbi and Mrs. Biton, Chabad downtown, and the wonderful and most awesome crew at your very own Vancouver Maishi House.
Oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's join the party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat, a silly one to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.
But anyways, we're gonna light the menorah. And before we do, I want to tell you guys a little bit about Hanukkah. Everybody knows Hanukkah is a time when we have fun and we sing and we get together and we have a party. But what is the significance of the holiday of Hanukkah? What does it mean? Hanukkah, the Greeks didn't care about the fact that we were Jewish. The Greeks didn't want to kill us. They didn't want to do anything to us. They just wanted to take away the Torah. Don't get involved with the Torah. Get involved with science and with math and with athleticism, like the Olympics, and get into the human physique. And man is the highest being. We're greater than animals. We're the be all and end all. And they wanted to take away. It says in the Al Hanissim prayer. It says Torah techa. They wanted to take us away from God's Torah, not from Torah, from God's Torah. So any commandment that they said doesn't make sense, don't do it. Because the only reason why you do it is because you believe in God. So there's no more belief in God, take it away. So the victory on Hanukkah is not a victory of saving our actual physical lives. It's a victory of saving our Jewish identity, our Jewish pride, and being able to freely practice our Judaism. Like when we come to Canada. That's why whenever we speak about Hanukkah, we always say freedom of religion. Because Hanukkah is actually the miracle of freedom of religion. When they drove the Greeks out, and when they won the war, the first thing they did, they came back to the temple, they rededicated the altar, they lit the menorah, shortly. It lasted for 8 days, we all know the story. And that's what it's about. It's not about the lives, it's about the actual Jewish identity, it's about being able to fulfill all the mitzvot, and it's about being able to live proudly and openly as Jews.
Remind us of days long ago. Oh Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's join the party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat, a silly one to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us the days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago.